So this is problem number 10 from the review for test number 4, and we've already gone through and solved it, and we want to talk about how you go about checking the answer on it. So for this problem, what I want to do is go back to my original equation, and wherever I see an x in, I'm going to plug in a 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and whip out my calculator, so we're doing the check. And I'm just going to enter this 4. Now realize this is all an exponent, so I'm going to do my caret key, -2, parentheses 4, close those parentheses, plus 12, and then I'm going to hit enter. And that gives me 256, so that does check. Now if we needed to check a log, let's see how that one would work. So here's problem number 16 from review test number 4. We had solved and gone down to n equals 4 and n equals -2 as our potential solutions. So again, I need to go back to my original equation. So let's go ahead and write our original equation down. And then we're going to check each one of those. First we'll check n is 4 and then n equals -2. So I'm going to write down log base 5 of n minus 3 plus log base 5 of n plus 1 equals 1. Now I'm going to first check n equals 4. So I'm going to plug that in. So I just replace n by 4. That should be a plus sign. And we're trying to see if we get 1. So we'll use our change of base to evaluate. I'm going to use common log. So this is common log of 1 over common log of 5 plus that's common log of 5 over common log of 5. You can guess that's going to be equal to 1. But we'll just go and put it all in just to see how it works. So let me clear this. And I'm going to do this as a fraction. I'm going to do common log of 1 over common log of 5. Hit my right arrow key, do plus, fraction key, common log of 5, common log of 5. So if we hit enter, that does give me 1, so that answer checks. So the 4 works. Now the other answer we had when we solved it was n equals -2. So let's check that. So I'm going to be a common log of -2 minus 3. Sorry, log base 5 of -2 minus 3 plus log base 5 of -2 plus 1. Trying to see if that's equal to 1. Well, that's -5. And you may realize right then and there that's no good. If not, you just follow through with your change of base formula. And you can see what's going to happen if we plug this whole thing in here. So I'm going to throw it in my calculator. And there's not supposed to be anything written there. That's supposed to be common log. So I'm going to do my fraction key. Put my -5. Do my log. common log again, over with 5. I'm going to do plus my fraction key, common log of -1 over common log of 5. So if I hit enter, I'm going to get a domain error. That's because you cannot take the log of a negative number. So that tells you that this thing is no good. You can see it's flashing right on that first one where it's trying to take a log of a negative number. It can't do it. It's undefined. So that would show us that -2 does not work. So the only answer for number 16 that works was the 4.